Quick video today to show you how to remove the tow eye cover. It's sort of the under tray on the Range Rover Evoque. Now they're different on the Evoque Dynamic to the Pure. So we've got a Dynamic here and it is slightly different. This is the bit we're going to remove. Now you may want to remove it because there is actually a tow eye under here. So if you want to recover the vehicle, there's a tie down point that you might want to use. We're trying to think what else you might want to colour code it, you might want to repaint it, it might be scratched, so it's easier just to take it off and paint it. We couldn't come up with it. We thought you might make your vehicle lighter, but we thought the aerodynamics would be... Anyway, let's stop messing about and get on. So it's made so you can take it out quite easily, which is obviously lucky. What you've got is you've got 2 quarter-turn plastic fixings underneath. So do you want to grab under there and have a looky and see if you can...
See there.
There's one there.
And then one the other
one
side.
Over there. Now you can use a coin. So we managed to find a 2p piece, but other coins will work. And now it's just a quarter. Is it an unscrew or quarter?
It's an unscrew on these.
Ah, it's not a quarter turn on these.
They're a proper threaded metal bolt.
So let me have a look. I've got my new camera on the go today. So there we go. Yeah, it is a proper threaded bolt there. Right. They're actually better. Those quarter turn fastenings, I'm not a big fan of. There we go, and they're both the same, aren't they? And they've got a nice little lead in. Let's see what sort of... Where's my angle on? So there you go, you can see they've got that little unthreaded bit so you can get a good start on them. There's those 2 there. Right, and then... Let's have a look at them. What's the plan? So I think you just give it a... it just pulls out like so.
So you've got these little docking pins on the top.
So let's just have a look at those first. Put your hand behind it because it's hard to see. So you've got those little, so there's a series of those along the top here.
So you've got 4 actual with slight ramps that hold it in slightly, and then you've got one that's just a guide.
A guide. Now let's have a look. Where do they go in? Now we've got our mesh grill in here, which complicates it a little bit.
You can see the centre one here though.
Yeah.
Bang in the middle.
Yeah, we got that.
And then you've got these four tabs, which...
and the tabs are going to go on top, I'm guessing, aren't they?
No, they go underneath, so you've actually got a lip all the way along. You can see from the side there.
Yeah.
You've actually got that lip, so it goes all the way along, and these have got a little rise on the top of them, so it hooks in underneath.
Go on, trim it on, so it goes on. What, so the tab goes underneath or over that?
The tab,
this goes down, right, sorry,
down,
we were saying the same thing, cross.
And then, so it'll go underneath and it'll hook on that lip like that. So you just need to line these up with those.
Hold on, that's it.
Just make sure they're in line and sit on top. Give it a push, it should just clip.
And that'll clip, that top bit's clipped.
So that's held on there, and
then we just put the bolts back in underneath, and that's how to remove and refit. There's no need to jack it up. There's enough room to get under there, isn't there? We didn't actually whip it off again here. Let me just see the tow eye. I didn't point out the tow eye while we're under there. So the tow eye is down under here. There's a metal hoop that you can go around. So if you need to strap the car down, that's where you do that. Right. Good luck with that.